As an implementation of the plans and programs of the ambitious development and realistic and creative vision in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia with regard to the development of basic infrastructures, the private sector was engaged in supporting the development process. One of these programs is the privatization of water and power sector, which has made considerable progress in this field and which will make the world consider the electric power sector in Saudi Arabia as a base example in the application of the electricity industry in terms of technicality, application, and cost to meet the growing demand for electric power in a sustainable manner. Among privatization projects, the Saudi Electricity Company submitted a package of projects for the establishment of plants for the production of independent electricity, which is the first successful step in the development and promotion plan of electric power exported to the electricity network in the kingdom between the years 2009 and 2020 AD. The Rabic project to produce independent electricity is the first of these projects. It was put up for tender by the Saudi Electricity Company in 2009 AD, and the tender submitted by the alliance between Aqua Power International and Korea Electric Power Corporation, KEPCO, was the best bid in terms of the price of the tariff, which resulted in the establishment of Rabic Electricity Company, a Saudi closed joint stock company established in accordance with the Ministerial Decree No. 72D issued on 12 Rabi'a 1430 AH, March 9, 2009 AD. The company is authorized to prepare, establish, own, operate, and maintain the project in Rabic, Saudi Arabia, for the purpose of production, transportation, and sale of electricity, and the implementation of any other related activities. The contract was made with Rabic Operation and Maintenance Company, RAMCO, for the operation and maintenance of the plant. About this project. The project consists of 2 steam units for generating electrical power using heavy fuel oil. The capacity of each is 660 megawatts, totaling 1320 megawatts, with the application of the latest global technologies and the benefit from the professional efforts resulting from the alliance between SEPCO 3 Company and the Chinese company Dongfang Electric Corporation, project contractor, with Black & Veatch as the international consultant. This vital project was completed in the planned timeline. Commercial operation of the project has been successfully achieved on April 10, 2013 AD. The cost of the project reached nearly 10 billion rials, based on the building, operating, own for a contract duration of 20 years. Where Aqua Power International owns 40%, and Korea Electric Power Corporation, KEPCO, owns 40% of the project, and 20% is owned by the Saudi Electricity Company. Electricity generating operations, fuel cycle, water cycle, air cycle. Air is a major factor for the completion of the combustion process. Air is forced into the boiler through forced draft fans, and then, after combustion, the flue gases produced are exhausted by the induced draft fans through the boiler stack, after passing through a refining phase to filter it from impurities and harmful gases to preserve the environment. Water cycle. Seawater is used for cooling the condensers. Removing sulfur oxides process. Produce desalination and demineralized water to be used in the production of steam process, which helps to rotate the turbine. Fuel cycle. Fuel is received through the dock for fuel ships, then stored in tanks suitable for a period of 45 days as strategic reserve of 330,000 cubic meters. Fuel is transported through pumps to the boiler to start combustion process and the production of steam. Steam is then directed to the steam turbine to convert thermal energy into mechanical energy and then into electrical energy through the electric generator. The produced power voltage is increased by the 2 transformers connected to the high voltage lines of the Saudi Electricity Company. The company is keen to maintain the good record with respect to health aspects and safety requirements in the plant, and regular training has helped to combat and prevent the fires, according to the company's Safety First policy and prevention systems applied by the company in workplaces. This reflects the strict compliance and commitment in this aspect by the company. It is known that power plants use fossil fuels to produce electricity, which, from burning, produce polluting gases and pollutants to the air through the chimneys of generation units. And due to this, power plants were built outside the cities and communities. The company also seeks to reduce pollution, also to work to protect and preserve the environment through compliance with issued regulations by the application of the criteria adopted when creating a power plant to install the latest equipment and tools to get rid of environmental pollutants and educate workers with the environmental standards and adhering to them. The importance of this project is to boost development in the region due to the support provided to the infrastructure in the region. It also helped to create jobs, both directly and indirectly. The company believes that the assets of human resources have a fundamental role in the development of its business and investments. The company is working to raise the skills and abilities of leading administrative and technical employees at all job levels, and through the plans and programs of internal and external training, together with job training, which is one of the key priorities of the aims of the company. The plans for the gradual replacement of Saudi cadres have special significance. These plans and programs resulted in maintaining good Saudiization levels, and that the company is aware